Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning back in with me today. I have a short little video just to highlight some artisans that I have received within the past week. I have received about 4 new artisans, be it through trades or buying them, etc. And they're pretty neat. I think that some of them really fit into my collection, and I have 2 more keycaps on the way, and I'm super excited for those. Like, really excited. They just got shipped out today, so hopefully I'll have a new video for you guys next week. And so anyways, first cap up today, I think we're gonna start off with Hungerworks Studio / Binge. So Binge is a very cool keycap maker. He's been in the game for like a super long time, like one of the OGs, and one of his very cool sculpts is the Popsy skull. So basically the premise of the Popsy skull, it's like a little like popsicle kind of thing. It looks like kind of like a melting popsicle because it has like a little like popsicle stick at the top, and it's just like melting, and it has like these like gooey looking hands and stuff. And anyways, the one that I received was via a trade. I traded one of my keycaps for this, and it is a Popsy skull in the Pucacorn colorway. So as you might imagine, the Pucacorn, very pink, very glittery, very bright. So thanks to Cypher, I have a cool like little light photography box, so hopefully you'll be seeing me like panning over this Artisan Keycap. I am so excited to show you guys. I am trying to improve my videos slowly but surely, you know. As with everything, it does require a bit of an investment, but hopefully it'll be worth it. So as you can see, this keycap has a bunch of different parts. So basically, Binge encapsulates part of this keycap, or he sculpts out one part and he like casts it, and then he encapsulates the rest of the keycap right over it, which is super cool. The part that he casts out first is like kind of like the base of it, so like the face, as well as a like little popsicle sticking out. So that's like a couple different shots right there. And then he encapsulates like the body per se of the Popsy skull, and it is really cool just to like look at all the different things going on around it, all the talent that this requires as well. It has a very bright pink stick as well as a beige looking like face. It has obviously like black right there in the eyes. It has a very light transparent looking clear color, and that has pink glitter thrown in there as well. It has a very light clear resin around it, which has a bunch of glitter thrown in there as well, pink glitter as well, and a very light pink bubblegum looking base. I really love this color. It was actually on my wish list for like a super long time, and I'm super happy to finally get my hands on it. Up next is another cap by Hungerworks Studio, aka Binge. This cap is one of his more quintessential caps. It is the Earl. So the Earl is this funny looking guy. This is a single shot keycap, so that means it's only one color. It is from one of his recent singles night sales. So basically during his single night sales, he puts up a bunch of keycaps for sale, the Earl or the Rough Dulu, and they're both very simple colors, just like one color all over, and you know, it's pretty cool. They are every Friday at 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so it's fun to like try and wait up for them. So anyways, this is the Earl. The Earl, as I mentioned, has a funny face. He has these very protruding ears as well as like hands all around him, holding his jacket very proudly. He has a little monocle as well as a very refined mustache, and not to be mean, but a very I don't know A very distinguished smile. There you go. Very distinguished toothy smile. So the cool part about the Earl is the way that Binge usually casts this. Like, he can make these in very intricate colorways. It's very interesting to see like the potential colors that could go into an Earl. I don't have much to say about it because, as I said, this is a very simple colorway, so I can't really like go too into detail about the colors, but you know, as you can see, the sculpt is very detailed. So much work going on in the clothing and the mustache and the eyes and the face and the little bow tie. Like, everything is very, very intricate. Up next, I have a keycap by Zorbcaps. Zorbcaps is a Swedish-based keycap maker. He has a bunch of very cool sculpts, but two of the sculpts that I love the most are the shepherd. I've actually been looking for one for a long time before, like, you know, the recent hype started, as well as the Flora. Now, Flora is a cute little plant-looking thingy. Like, she's like a little tulip looking cap, and she's super cute. Like, everyone's been going gaga over the Flora, and you know, rightfully so. It's a very cute cap. So the one I got is in the Prism colorway, which was included in the Valley, actually I forgot the name of that sale, like the Great Valley sale or something. I totally forgot it. I'm so sorry for being unprepared. I'll probably include a little edit down below if I did not guess the name of the sale correctly. But anyways, this Flora is in the Prism colorway. It comes in a bunch of very cool colors. So, as you can see, it has a very shiny metallic finish, and it has like all these colors going on. So it looks a bit like a rainbow. It has like some red, some purple, yellow, little tinge of orange, green, and like some very like teal at the corner, as well as like a dark blue. Like the purple looks really light. It almost looks like a silver in like certain lighting. I really love it. It's super glittery. I love looking at it in the sunlight because, like, you know, if you're looking at it in a room, it might not look as impressive as it will, you know, when it's like in its full splendid glittery glory outside. So I'm probably going to take a little light to this and shine it on it so you guys can see how lovely this colorway is. As far as the cap itself, you know, I do see like a little bit of like imperfections on it, but of course you can't expect every single keycap to come out perfectly. You know, they're very minor, not something that you would notice, but you know, still something that if you're taking like a good eye to it, you'll it'll stick out to you. But overall, a very cute cap. I love Flora's little smile. That's one of the things that gets me, is how cute she looks. I adore it. I'm probably gonna hold on to this for a while. I got it through a trade with a good friend, so we'll see how long she lasts in my collection. And up next is a Kiwi. The Kiwi is by CYSM. CYSM is a fairly hyped artisan keycap creator right now. They make a couple different sculpts, but one of their most noticeable sculpts is the Kiwi. They also make a bunch of other really cute sculpts, like the Olifu. That one's very cute. Like, anyone who collects cute keycaps, you're gonna be sure to like see at least one CYSM cap in there. So the Kiwi, as the name suggests, is based off of the video game character Kirby, and it's very rectangular, very cute. Like, I really like the concept of like taking a blank and adding a bunch of stuff to it, and this certainly does that. It has a very cute tiny little face. It has little stubby arms and little stubby feet at the bottom of it. So cute. And the Kiwi has these giant eyes in the front, as well as a subtle little smile. Now this colorway right here is the No Face colorway. Now this is a super hyped colorway, mostly because of its like familiarity, I guess. Like a bunch of people, I assume in the hobby, also are lovers of Japanese animation, and one of the most recognized movies by Studio Ghibli is Spirited Away, and obviously No Face comes from that movie, and he has a very recognizable face, like, you know, like the eyes as well as the purple markings underneath, and the No Face colorway resembles that. It has the purple markings on the side, and this takes a little tiny twist to it, and it makes like the little blushing cheek part of the kiwi purple as well. It is with a single, or it's not single shot, sorry, it comes with a white layer on the very top, and then the rest of the base as well as the eyes, feet, and hands are casted in black. Overall, I think it's a very cute cap. Certainly a collector's item if you collect No Face colorways. I know a couple people out there who do, so if you guys see this, feel free to hit me up and you know, give me some offers. I don't know, I just got this cap, I know, and I'm already like trying to trade it off, but that's the way it is, you know. Because some people oftentimes will get caps and their caps stay with them forever and no one can pry them loose. But I have been trying to get away from that, and I've been trying to move my stuff around, you know. As my time in the hobby goes on, I found myself having a new appreciation for different caps and different artists as well. A lot of my appreciation for these different artists would not be there if it weren't for like me actually getting to see the cap in person, getting to like look at all the different things that goes on it, learning about all the different intricacies of it, as well as the different casting processes that might go into the keycap. So that's why I like moving stuff around. I just like getting my hands on new stuff, you know, letting other people get their hands on stuff. It's just like a big cycle, I guess. And I do have 4 more keycaps that I want to show off, but I promised that this was going to be a short, just like a very, very short little artisan review. So hopefully you guys get to enjoy looking at the close-ups that I am including in this video. I'll have way more keycaps to review within the week. I am trying to get my hands on a very cool keyboard as well to show off, because I know I haven't really done a keyboard review in a while. And I also have a key set review in the works as well. I have a bunch of different stuff. It's just making the time to, like, you know, get to review everything. So as always, thank you so much for tuning back into my video. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions for any upcoming videos. If you want me to showcase something different, let me know if you guys would be interested in a thrifting series as well, because I love thrifting. I run like a small online clothing store where I resell stuff as well, resell clothes that I run into and don't like or don't fit me, or, you know, that I just put up. So let me know if you guys might be interested in that. I don't know, I just like having some variety in my videos. But anyways, I'm super hyped for this keyboard video that's coming up, because let me tell you, it's gonna be interesting. So you guys have that to look forward to. Thanks so much for tuning in with me, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Happy clacking!